In this video, we will be talking about Project Online licensing. The most important aspect of this Project Online training is to actually have a Project Online license subscription for Project Online. So in this video, we will learn how to get a Project Online licenses for your organization. In this example, we will be going over how to get these licenses directly from Microsoft Project Online products. I will walk you through the steps to get a Project Online license up to the purchase page. After that, you will need to follow the prompts to complete the purchase on your own. Let's get started. So here we see we're in a browser and we're going to type Microsoft.com. Once we're in Microsoft, we can go, there's different ways to actually get to the page of where all the products are for Microsoft Project. This is one way. You can get there differently. That's okay, just as long as you get there. Here we're going to click on All Microsoft and then go down to the View Sitemap. Once we're here, we're going to start scrolling down and we're going to get to the section where it says Applications. So under Applications, if you go down to Project, just click on that link. So now we're going to click. All right, now we're in the product page for Microsoft Project. So here we go and see products and pricing. And now we're here in the Compare Project Management Solutions, and this is the current pricing for Project Online. In here for the cloud-based solutions, we also have on-premise solutions. So we're going to stay on the cloud-based solution because that's what Project Online is. There are currently 3 different types of plans. There's Project Plan 1, which is basically you can use Project Online on the browser only. So this is just the bare essentials for Microsoft Project Online. In your organization, you might have different types of licensing. If you just want some of your users to use the browser, you can get them this type of license. But if you're going to have to use Microsoft Project Online Desktop Client, meaning that you are going to use the desktop app for Microsoft Project, something like this, then you'll need Project Plan 3 because you get the essentials and you also get that desktop client. So for Project Plan 5, this is the portfolio plan. So this is more for enterprise level. For all intents and purposes for this course, we're only going to use Project Plan 3. Okay, so at minimum for this course, you have to have Project Plan 3 because we will be using the Project Desktop, Microsoft Project Desktop. And if you can also do the installation if you're just using Project Plan 1 for all your organization, that's fine. When we get to the training for the desktop connections, then you can just skip those videos. But that's basically how it's set up right now. So if you scroll down, Microsoft actually gives you information of what each plan brings for you. For all 3, you can get to Project Home, you have grid views, board views. You can also have the Gantt views or timeline. You can collaborate it with Microsoft Teams to make sure that all your team has the same information. You can do co-authoring on documents. You can do project planning and scheduling, which is very important. Okay. After that, you go to Project Plan 1 doesn't have some of these capabilities, but for the one that we are going to do, Project Plan 3, you're going to get reporting. So these are the pre-built reports that you can use. You can also use roadmap, timesheet submission, resource management, and desktop client. That's the one I showed you, the desktop app. Each license covers up to 5 PCs per person that they can do an installation. So that's pretty good. So this is both the same for both Plan 3, Project Plan 3 and Project Plan 5. And then if you're going to be doing portfolio management, which we will not cover here, but if you want information on that, these last ones are for that Project Plan 5. You get the portfolio selection and optimization, demand management, enterprise resource planning and management. So The apps that are included for Project Plan 1 is only Project for the Web, so you can only get on the web. For Project Plan 3, you get Project for the Web, which we will not really go through in this training. We do Project Online and Project Desktop Client, and the same for Project Plan 5. So once you're ready to buy you the license, or maybe you already have it, but if you're ready to buy, you click on Buy Now. If you want a 30-day free trial, you can do Try Now. So that's what we're going to click on right now. This is it works really well if you want to do a trial and your company needs a proof of concept of if you want to go and use Microsoft Project if not so sure. Also for like training like right now, so you can get up and running on understanding how to set up the configuration for Project Online. That's what 30-day free trial is good for as well. So anyway, so what you do here is you enter your email address and then you go follow each of the prompts. We're not going to go through that right now. Once you're done and you set it up, then we will continue with the next videos. But before we go this video, it tells you right here some of the things that the project management on the cloud for Microsoft Project can access anywhere. You can do project scheduling and costing, resource management, publishing projects to the cloud. And then you get 25 licenses for 30 days. That means you can set up 25 different users and play around with the configuration of Microsoft Project. So anyway, set it all up and we'll see you on the next video.